Hey, welcome to the show. Today I am filming from the inside of my car. On the outside, it is 20 degrees. I am using the Galaxy S22 Ultra with default audio, but I'm going to be switching over to the Samsung USB-C 3.5 adapter and using the Rode Lav. We're going to be doing a sound test. Why don't you join us? Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Right now I am recording with the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the default audio. This morning I did a test where I connected this Samsung USB-C 3.5 connector in the USB port while I was recording. I was recording with the default audio, and I plugged it in so you could hear the Rode mic that I have on here. And I noticed that on my video software that the audio was not in sync after I plugged this in. So right now what I'm going to do is turn the video off. I'll plug this in and then I'll let you hear the sound quality, and hopefully this will be synced up. All right, this message says recording audio through the external mic. I'm using 30 frames per second right up here with the FHD setting. I'm also using the Samsung USB-C 3.5 adapter. And so I'm going to be quiet for a second so you can hear some silence. All right, back to some chit chat here. I did notice, like I was telling you before, that when I was recording with the internal microphone on the Samsung S22 Ultra, and then I plugged in the USB connector using the Rode Lav, I'm using the Rode Lav right now, that I noticed that the audio was off sync. It was not synced up to my lips. So hopefully by turning off the video recording and then turning it back on with the USB connected, hopefully that'll sync the audio with my lips. But I'm not sure why there's a problem there. Also, I noticed that in my Sony Vegas video software that I had to boost up the volume just a little bit. I had to do that with the internal and external audio. But I've always had really good luck using the Samsung USB-C 3.5 connector on my Galaxy S21, S20. So hopefully this will work with the Galaxy S22. There are some issues out there with some other people that have not had some good results. But for myself, I've always had excellent results. It's cold right here. So right now I'm going to turn the video off and back on, and I'm going to use the internal microphone. So, all right, here, stay tuned. All right, now I'm using the internal microphone on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And like I said, I kind of had to boost up the volume a little. Right here is the default audio. And then I switch over to the Rode mic. I think I'm going to do also a test right now with 60 frames per second to see if there's any difference. So right now I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and connect my little Samsung USB-C connector. All right now I am using FHD 60 frames per second with the external Samsung USB-C 3.5 connector and the Rode Lav. So hopefully my audio is syncing up to my lips. It is super cold out here, so I don't know how long I can hold this phone, and I'm kind of shaking here. And I think there's a snowblower outside, but just kind of interested to see how this looks on my video editing software. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and then turn it back on without the external microphone. Okay, you probably noticed in that last video file that was recorded at 60 frames per second that my lips and the audio are off sync just a little bit. That could be something with a user error on my part, because I am recording at 60 frames per second and exporting at 30 frames per second. But when I take away the external microphone in the next clip and use the internal mic, you'll notice that the audio and my lips are in sync perfectly. So I think there might be some type of error using 60 frames per second and the external mic, but that might be on my part and only my error. I'm not sure. It might be something in the settings. But for right now, if I have to do any kind of recording with the lav mic, I'm probably going to stay with 30 frames per second. Okay, no external microphone attached right now. And this audio that you're hearing is from the internal part of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So, and outside I can hear, might be a truck or a snowblower approaching. My hand is freezing, so I think I might end the show. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, I will have a link to this where you can find this on Amazon, and I plan to do more tests with this microphone and a couple other external microphones. So thanks a lot for watching, and like always, have a fun day. Adios.